This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by giving the app the permissions it needs and picking the source and target languages. This saves time later. Once done, record directly or import your video, then trim unnecessary lead and tail so processing focuses on the core content. Make sure your mic level is steady and background noise is minimal. That improves recognition accuracy. From here, tap Translate or Export to cue the clip for the next processing stage. Now you run speech-to-text and review the transcript carefully, correcting misheard words. Accuracy here determines translation quality. After that, choose a voice style, speed, and accent for the translated audio so it matches tone and audience expectations. Then apply subtitle generation and check timing. If lines overlap, use manual sync controls to nudge timestamps. Make small adjustments rather than big jumps. Gradual tweaks finish by previewing the full translated video to confirm audio levels and subtitle readability, and make final edits where words cut off or timing slip. Once satisfied, export in your desired format and resolution. Choose 1080p for most uses or lower for faster uploads. If you hit odd errors, rerun only the affected segment or clear the app cache and retry. Sometimes trimming and reprocessing, a short section fixes sync or recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.